Hey everyone, welcome to the Personal Finance Masterclass. I am so excited that you decided to enroll in this class. It's going to be a great one, and in this video I just want to talk a little bit more about what this course is all about, give you a little bit more background information on myself and Mike and Lauren, the co-instructors, and talk to you about how you can have the most success in this course. Basically, this course talks about how money works in the modern world. We want you to have a complete grasp of how to deal with your finances. So we're going to learn, where do you stand in terms of personal finances? You're going to learn steps to improve your financial situation, and we're going to give you inspiration to take action. So who are we and why should you take this course from us? We are personal finance fanatics. Mike and Lauren are personal finance experts who make YouTube videos at mikeandlauren.com and on their Mike and Lauren YouTube channel. They've helped tens of thousands of people improve their finances through free YouTube videos. Now they've put it together in this class. They were married at 19 and 20 years old, and since then they've learned to save over 50% of their income so that they can retire early at the age of 30. I reached out to Mike and Lauren about co-creating this class because while I know a lot about personal finance and I've learned a lot in my short life, they have a little bit more experience that will help us understand the complete spectrum of personal finance in this course. So what about me? Why am I teaching this course? When I graduated from college, I was in over $100,000 worth of student loan debt. Starting out with a salary of $33,000, I was able to dig out of that hole and pay off the entire amount, which actually ended up being closer to $140,000 in less than 5 years. We do not work for a bank. We aren't creditors. We don't work for an investment company. We will be bringing in other experts, other articles, other resources that we give to you that have a bit more authority on some of these topics. We've set up this entire class sort of as a buffet. Each section in this course is self-contained, and so you can pick and choose which topics or sections interest you. Lastly, we want to make this the best personal finance class out there. And we've created it thinking that we have given you all of the knowledge you need to succeed. But we know there are things that we can do to improve this course. So if there's ever any lesson that's confusing, if there's something that's missing, if there's something that we go on too much about, if we ramble about something, let us know and we will improve that lesson or section or add something that is missing. We need you to make this the best class that it can be. Thank you again for enrolling, and really, you've taken the next step to your better financial situation, and I'm so proud and happy to help you out. Bye guys.